What if I told you your cells have bones? Inside every cell is a hidden framework called the cytoskeleton. It gives shape, strength, and even builds highways for movement. Without it, your cells would collapse like jelly. This invisible structure is what keeps you standing. Cells are not empty. They're alive with traffic. Tiny motor proteins walk along protein highways carrying food, signals, and waste. These highways are made by the cytoskeleton. Every second, millions of deliveries happen inside you. Inside your cells, tiny power plants are working right now. Mitochondria release energy to keep you alive. The endoplasmic reticulum builds proteins like a factory line. Your cells are not simple. They are cities powered by microscopic machines. Once proteins are made, they need packing. The Golgi Apparatus modifies and ships them out. But what about waste? Lysosomes break it down and recycle it. Your cells don't just work, they manage, deliver, and clean.